This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You should confirm iOS 14 or later, and that basic security, Face ID/Touch ID, is active because some shortcuts need permission. Once confirmed, open Settings and go straight to Accessibility. Don't detour. You're starting the only official route Apple provides. Accessibility houses the back tap control under Touch Settings. Tap Touch, then scroll to Back Tap. Make these first selections now so you can assign actions. This step prepares the phone to recognize double and triple taps. Now you pick which gesture triggers what. You choose double tap or triple tap. Pick one, then select an action from the list. Actions include system controls like screenshot or accessibility features like magnifier, or you can assign a custom shortcut for more complex tasks. If you use shortcuts, make sure the shortcut is pre-built and runs silently. Otherwise, back tap may appear to fail. Once selected, the phone will instantly map that gesture to the action you chose for quick use. Finish by testing. Tap the back with a confident mid-pad finger motion while the screen is on. You'll feel the feedback through the action. If it misses, try the other gesture or change how you hold the phone, cases, and grip effect detection. If back tap still won't work, restart the iPhone and verify iOS is up to date. A software bug can block accessibility features. If problems persist, disable interfering gestures or remove a thick case before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.